Hi guys, this is Mr. Z and I'm going to solve SAT math questions for this channel. Let's get started. Question 1. What are the solutions of the quadratic equation for x squared minus 8x minus 12 is equal to 0? First of all, we simplify this equation. We divide each term by 4. So 4x divided by 4, x squared. 8 divided by 4, 2. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then we can now factorize it. So product of two numbers negative 3 and sum of these two numbers negative 2. Factors of negative 3 add up to negative 2. So those two numbers are going to be negative 3 and positive 1. Now we can factorize it. X minus 3 times x plus 1. We can use the zero product property and we can say that if the product of two numbers or two factors is equal to 0, then at least one of the factors is going to be equal to 0. Then if x minus 3 is equal to 0, guys, x is going to be equal to 3. If x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is going to be negative 1. So we have two solutions. One is for negative 1 and the other one is going to be 3, which is B. Next question, question 2. Okay, we have x times x plus 2 is equal to 8. Which of the following list all solutions to the quadratic equation above? Okay, first of all, we write it in the standard form. X times 2, x squared. And x times 2 is 2x, which is equal to 8. Then x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Factors of two numbers is equal to negative 8. And the sum of two numbers is 2. Okay, so factors of negative 8 add up to 2. So those two numbers are going to be negative 2 and 4. Now it's time to factorize it. X minus 2 times x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is going to be equal to 0 and x plus 4 is going to be equal to 0. So there will be two solutions for x. One is going to be 2 and the other one is going to be negative 4. And the correct answer choice is going to be, guys, C. Next question, question 3. This question is, guys, a little bit different. What is the sum of all values of m that satisfy 2m squared minus 16m plus 8 is equal to 0? Again, we simplify it, guys. So we divide each term by 2. 2m squared divided by 2 is equal to m squared. 16 divided by 2, 8m. And 8 divided by 2, 4 is equal to 0. And then we can apply the quadratic formula. First of all, we should know that what is A, B, B, and C. A is coefficient of m squared, which is 1. B is coefficient of m, which is negative 8. And C is the constant term, which is 4. And now we can find out the discriminant. Discriminant is, guys, b squared minus 4ac. B is negative 8. Negative 8 squared is 64. And minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1 and c is 4. So 64 minus 16 makes 48. Now we can find the solutions. x1, first solution is going to be, guys, negative b, which is negative 8, 8, plus square root of discriminant, square root of 48, divided by 2 times 1. 2 times 1, 2. And the second solution is going to be 8 minus, we just changed the sign in the middle, minus square root of 48 divided by 2. And we add up, guys, these two terms because we need to find out all values of m, the sum of all values of m. So x1 plus x2 is going to be equal to like once we add up these two numbers, guys, we have like positive square root of 8 and negative square root of 48. These two cancel out. 8 plus 8 makes 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. So the sum of all values of m is 8. D. And the next question, question 4. For this question, we have a function which is equal to x squared minus plus 5x plus 4. And this function has two x-intercepts, so it means it has two solutions. So what is the distance between the x-intercepts? First of all, we know that the product of, guys, two numbers is 4. and sum of these two numbers is 5. So factors of 4 add up to 5 are 1 and 4. So x plus 1 times x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then there will be two solutions for x. One is going to be negative 1, and the other one is, guys, one is going to be negative 1, and the other one is going to be negative 4. And we need to find out the distance between these two x-intercepts. So it is just like this. So one solution is negative 4, and the other solution is, guys, negative 1, and the distance between them is going to be, guys, 3. Okay, 3 units. So you can find it, guys, in this way if you want. So like absolute value, you can use the absolute value. Negative 4 minus negative 1 makes absolute value of negative 3, and the absolute value of negative 3 is equal to 3. And the correct answer choice is C. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.